All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your total system in your Mac. So first of all, you got to come up to the little icon here and click on it. Then you're going to go to Systems Preferences, and you can see it says Update. Click there. Now it's going to bring you up this window, and you got to come down Software Update. Click it. And there it is, Big Sur. So if you want to upgrade to the new operating system, which is macOS Big Sur, you just come over here with your cursor, put it on upgrade, and click. And now it's doing it. I shut down every application first, of course. So if you go down here and you look at your applications, I have them hidden. I got to pull it down. You notice that they're all shut off. If there's a little thing underneath them, that would mean that you've got them open. I've got them all closed. So now we're just going to let that upload. It's going to take a while, and we're going to come back and check it out. All right, we're getting close. Need about another hour, and we should be there. All right, we've got about 13 minutes left for our update. Okay, this finished, and then this popped up. And I guess all we got to do is hit continue. So let's hit continue. Okay, we got to agree with that. You have read and agreed to the terms of, yes, I do. All right, so now we can continue. Oh, I got to put in my password. Got to do that. All right. I was thinking I had to do the, oh look, it's going to take about 15 minutes and then that'll be loaded. All right, so we'll just come back. Got about 21 seconds left and the computer may restart more than once during the installation. So we'll see what happens. 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seconds seem to slow down. Cha-ching. Closing applications and preparing for the restart. All right, here we go. Notice how everything just disappeared. And then I think it'll just boot back up. So it just closed out. You can see me a lot. There I am. Hi, how you doing? Now we just gotta wait. Oh, there it is. Came back on. And you can see, there's your little thing there. And you can see a little itty bitty. That's how much it's got done. So this is gonna take a while. So we'll come back. As you can see, it's gonna take about 25 more minutes. This is what just came up. So I guess we're in here. And all we gotta do is put in our password. Cha-ching! And that's our new macOS Big Sur 11.1. So you'll notice that this has changed. You got a launch pad, you got Siri on there, and these icons all have changed and they look different. And you can see that Final Cut Pro is different. And so yeah, it's just a slight difference. And then this crazy screen thing came on. But let's see what Launchpad does. Oh, look at that. That's all my stuff. And then you can just click into whatever you want. That's pretty cool. And then if you want to get out of Launchpad, you just go back down here and click it, and it just disappears. You want the Launchpad? Cha-ching! Ba-doo! There it is. And as you notice, it's like App Store, Safari, email, all the stuff that is basically, you know, the Apple junk is on there. Mission Control, that's interesting. And there's other stuff. And this is not an Apple product, by the way, neither there's that. But that's kind of cool. I like that. And you notice all the ancillary stuff that's on the desktop that you have on there disappears when you launch this. So if you click it out, it all comes back. That's a bunch of junk I'm saving on my desktop. This is interesting. So I'm gonna throw something away. I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna pull it down here. Now listen to it. It makes a different noise. It's like you're throwing something into a tin can. That's the garbage noise. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on your Mac.